Welcome back from break, everyone. In the spring, two West Texas A&M University environmental science students traveled north to Norway to study aerosols in the Arctic. I was able to get details about the research project.
The Arctic is warming up 6 times faster than the rest of the world. WT senior environmental science student Ava Seeley explains the purpose of the research.
We just collected a bunch of the filter samples and different grids so we could take them back to our laboratory and basically analyze those filters and grids and just see the different particles and how they react and how they may act in the atmosphere in a controlled environment and how that might affect the way the climate changes and how clouds form.
The WT students worked at a laboratory and station in Svalbard, Norway by collecting samples and determining at what rate they would freeze by studying different biological and chemical catalysts.
We are analyzing to see if we could quantify what are the chemicals that are present in this in the atmosphere, and to also quantify what are the biological substances that are present that is causing this.
The second part of the process is through the DNA sampler.
There's DNA particles everywhere. So we also have filters that are built just for that purpose. We have the chamber, which is also connected through the pipe, and we simulate in such a way that the air particles are brought in and it is collected through this DNA filter, and we secure it, and then this also will be analyzed in the lab.
Seeley adds that this is not a common type of research.
Not a whole lot of people are interested in this aspect of environmental science and atmospheric chemistry, and so it's super cool have this door open.
WT Associate Professor of Environmental Science Dr. Naruki Hironuma says he is proud of both students to take on this research opportunity.
It is our privilege as a scientist to get an opportunity to do research in remote locations and potentially provide something meaningful to the community to resolve the knowledge and enthusiasm gap between scientists and the public.
Hironuma adds that he hopes WT can continue to provide more research opportunities for students. The students were able to travel to Norway with assistance of a National Science Foundation grant and through the WT Study Abroad office. For more information on the WT Arctic Research Project, head on over to myhighplains.com.